Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life, and every week I cook a new Korean dish. And this week I'm making something with this. It's myeongi. Myeongi in English is a very hard Latin word, but it's this lovely green thing here. And what I'm going to do with this is do myeongi sort of muchim or Myeongi Namul. It's basically, we're going to take a spicy sauce and put it on this. It's really easy to make, but it's super tasty. This is one of my favorite dishes. Let's get started. In Korea, we have something called sam, which is like wrap. Basically, sam is to wrap something. And in this case, this is the best thing you could use to wrap. It's got the flavors all there, a bit of pork, a bit of beef fried up. Oh, it'd go so well with this. But it can even go perfectly just by itself. Oh. just like this. Oh, more. It's probably easier if you use chopsticks. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, let's go. Wow, it's spicy. All right, that's a spicy dish. It's got some spicy green peppers there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, enjoy your cooking at home. Try out new dishes. Explore your kitchen. Use your local ingredients and have a great day. 안녕히 계세요. See ya.